Hello dear learners, welcome to the channel Be a Learner. Today we are going to study about the energy. What is energy? Forms of energy, energy changes, wasted energy and the fuels. So let us first try to learn and understand what is energy. You might have heard from your parents that if you don't eat proper food, you won't get any energy. If you don't sleep properly, you won't get energy. If you don't have proper diet, you won't get energy. So what is this energy and why we need energy? So the word energy is seen in different ways. Like we need energy for walking, eating, sitting, running, studying. For each and everything we need energy. So what is this energy exactly? That we are going to study. Energy is stored in different objects. Energy are of different forms. Let us first study more about the kinetic energy. Any moving object has kinetic energy. The object may be as large as a planet or as small as an atom. Because of its motion, it can do work. When an object with the kinetic energy strikes another object, a force acts on them, both that will distort the second object or set in a moving. For example, if you move your foot and kick a stationary ball, the ball moves. That is nothing but the kinetic energy. If you hit a ball hardly, it is going to go far away. If you hit a ball slowly, it is going to go nearby. That is nothing but the kinetic energy. The second form of energy is sound energy. Sound energy is produced by the vibration of an object, such as the twang of the guitar string, the energy which passes through the air. That is nothing but the sound energy. The atoms and the molecules travels from the air. Are you able to understand what I am trying to say? Even for example, if a vessel or a glass falls down from your hand, it also creates a sound. If you are walking and the room is very silent, you can hear your own footsteps voice. That is nothing but the sound energy. The atoms and the molecules are traveling from the air and you can feel it, you can hear it. The next is strain energy. The strain energy, it is also known as elastic materials. A spring, that is a strain energy, which a spring, if you are expanding it, it can produce a different sound. Also, like for example, a spray, when you are going to press it, the spray comes out. That is nothing but the strain energy. We have to use the potential. The next is chemical energy. Energy can be stored in the chemicals from which a material is made. The chemicals are made from the atoms that are linked together to make molecules. The chemical energy is stored in the links between the atoms, food, fuel and the chemicals in an electric cell. The remote which you are using, in that remote you can find small cells. That is nothing but the chemical energy which stores the energy, and with the help of that energy the battery is working and indirectly our remote is working. The energy is released when the links between the sum of the atoms are broken. The molecule in which the energy was stored is broken down into the smaller molecules. Also, you can take example of the respiration. We are taking inside the air. The air goes inside our body through lungs. It gets mixed up with the blood and it forms an energy. The air is transformed into energy to our body. It works as a fuel to our body, which is very important. Next, there are two kinds of energy: stored energy and the movement energy. Stored energy is known as the potential energy, which is already stored, and the movement energy is kinetic energy. For example, if you are playing a football, you need kinetic energy. You need energy to push the ball very hardly. And stored energy, the cells which are using in the remotes, that is a stored energy. It is already stored, just you have to purchase the cells and put in the remote will start working. Gravitational potential energy. Now we will study more about the gravitational potential energy. The force of gravity between an object and the earth pulls the object towards the center of the planet. If an object is in the position above the surface of the earth, it possesses stored energy, which is also called as gravitational potential energy. The examples are plates on the table, an apple growing on the branch. These are the examples of gravitational potential energy. The next is light energy. Light energy is that we detect with our eyes. For example, any object nearby you, how you can see. It is visible to your eyes just because of the light energy. If there is no light energy, you can't see any kind of object near you. Next, we are going to see how the energy changes. Energy changes into different way. The gas, it is a potential energy. The gas is stored in the cylinder, or some of you might be having the pipelines. It is a stored energy, right? But when we are turning on the gas to cook food, it becomes heat energy. The energy is changing. The electricity is stored in the wires which we are getting. That is a stored energy. And the light or electricity current which we are using, that is again a kinetic energy. Wasted energy. We turn on a lamp, it is because the light is useful to us. We do not use the heat that is produced, so it is wasted. Whatever material or whatever things which are made, when it is of no use, so it gets wasted. That is also known as wasted energy. Fuels. Many substances are burned to release their chemical energy to provide heat and light. So these are nothing but the fuels like wood, coal, gas, charcoal, oil, diesel, petrol, natural gas and wax. These are the examples of the fuels. Fossil fuels. In villages, people use different kinds of gases, or they use biogas which is made up of fossil fuels. Now let us see what is the fossil fuel. Coal is formed from the large plant that grew in the swamp about 275 million years ago. So these plants were used from the sunlight to produce the biogas, or you can say the different kinds of gas. So these trees or the forest got buried inside the earth millions of years ago, and then the fossil fuels were formed. And these fossil fuels are used as a fuel at many different places, even today also. Different oils are obtained, different minerals are obtained, and different fuels are obtained. So these fossil fuels are limited. Why they are limited? Because they are going to get finished one day. They are being prepared by the nature. They are going to finish one day because we are using it in a large quantity. Also, we are wasting it in a large quantity. Renewable sources means which are going to get finished. They are limited on the earth, and hence we have to take care of the renewable resources so that we can save it for our next generation and we can use it how much we want. Next is electric energy. Electric current is the movement of the electricity through a conductor such as a copper or a gap line. Electricity which we are using, the lights, fans, that is nothing but the electrical energy. Internal energy is already the stored energy which is there in the wires, the electricity which we are getting, the electricity which is stored in a fixed position, that is internal energy. Electromagnetic energy is a form of energy that can travel through space at a speed of a light, that is known as electromagnetic energy. How does it travel? At the speed of a light. It travels very fast. Strain energy. we will study strain energy once again. The strain energy is also called as elastic potential energy. Some materials can be easily squashed, stretched or bent, but spring back into the shape once the force action is done. You might be knowing the relief spray which we are using. We have to press it and again it bounces back on its place. That is nothing but the strain energy. Also the springs. We had studied about the chemical energy. So here we end our chapter. If you have any doubts, please write down in the comment box. If you need any video, mention in the comment box name, chapter and standard. Thank you so much for watching for the video. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.